Welcome to a grounded beginning and a moment of connection. Today's affirmation offers a gentle reminder of how you move through the world. I walk gently upon this sacred earth. Life often pulls us into speed. We rush from place to place, focused on what is next, rarely noticing where we stand. This affirmation invites a different way of being, one rooted in awareness, one guided by respect. To walk gently is not only about your physical steps, it is about how you speak, how you listen, how you respond. It is about recognizing that every moment is shared space. The earth receives you, the world meets you, and your presence matters. When you move gently, the body relaxes, the breath steadies, you become less reactive and more responsive. Gentleness does not weaken you, it steadies you. As the day unfolds, let this affirmation guide your pace. When you feel hurried, slow down. When tension rises, soften your approach. Notice how much more clearly you can hear yourself when you are not rushing past the moment. Here's your daily habit for today. Take one short walk today with your phone put away and your attention grounded. Carry these companion affirmations with you. I move through life with care and respect, and my presence honors the world around me. Thank you for beginning your day with AM inspiration and choosing awareness over autopilot. May your steps today be steady, mindful, and kind. Win the morning, win the day.